In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the geography feature in Microsoft Excel. This is a quick and practical way to turn a list of countries into related geography data, such as population and capital cities, without manually typing everything in. First, we need to set up our worksheet headers, so Excel knows what each column represents. Look at the top row of your sheet and label cell A1 as country, cell B1 as population, and cell C1 as capital. You can type these directly into the cells, then press Enter or move to the next cell. Take a moment here to make sure the spelling and spacing are correct, because clear headers make the results much easier to understand as you work. Next, we will add a few example countries. Type Philippines into cell A2, United States into cell A3, and Japan into A4. After you type each country, press Enter so Excel registers the value, and you can move down to the next row. This small list is what we will feed into the geography feature, so it is important that each entry is a valid country name. Now that the country names are in place, we will select the range we want to convert into geography information. Highlight cell range A2 through A4 using your mouse cursor selection. Click the cell with the first country, then drag or shift select down to include the other two countries. This tells Excel which rows to apply the geography data to, and it keeps your spreadsheet tidy. After you have the range selected, go to the top ribbon menu. Click the Data tab on the top ribbon, where you will see different tools for working with data. This is where the geography feature lives, along with other data tools. Once you are on the Data tab, find the Geography button. Click the Geography button inside the Data Types group. When you click it, Excel will open the Geography data experience for the selected country list. If you do not see it right away, make sure you are still on the Data tab, because the ribbon changes depending on what tab is active. Next, you will notice a small card or insert option near the data you selected. Click the small Insert Data Square Card button that appears next to cell A2. This step is important because it tells Excel to pull in geography data for that row and column structure. You may see a card appear as a visual prompt, and that is exactly what you should use. With the Insert card open for the first country row, choose the first data item we need. Select Population from the drop-down list to fill column B instantly. As soon as you select Population, Excel fills in the population values for each of the countries you entered in column A. This happens automatically for the rows in your highlighted selection, which saves a lot of time. Now that population data is filled, we will add the capital cities. Click the card button again and select Capital/Major City to fill column C. You are essentially repeating the same idea, but this time you are choosing a different geography field. When you do this, Excel adds capital or major city information next to each country in your list. At this point, your table should clearly show country in column A, population in column B. If the inserted values appear slightly different in format, such as commas or decimal styles, that is normal and depends on Excel formatting settings. You can always adjust column formatting later, but the key part is that the data is now pulled in using the geography feature. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.